This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be jamming together on songs 12 through 16, which are found on pages 15, 16, and 17 of my Tablature Method book. It's going to be super fun. You, me, and the band. Now, with these songs, we're going to be staying on the top 3 strings within the first 3 frets, reading that tablature. Remember to use our index finger for the notes in the first fret, middle finger for the notes in the second fret, and ring finger for the notes in the 3rd fret. So that's going to match numbers 1, 2, and 3 right there in the tablature. Also remember that you can glance up to the actual written notation to sort of see the rhythm if that's helpful to you, but you mostly with tablature want to be using your ear, listening, and trying to match how I'm playing things. So listen to how I'm doing it and try and match that using those fingerings there on the tablature to help you know what notes to play. It's going to be super fun. Just like the previous videos, each one of these songs is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. So you can work it up at that slower tempo and then at that faster tempo. Try playing through, just reading and playing along. If there's parts that you're getting tripped up on, then just pause and work on those parts. Play through that song again. That's a great strategy for developing your ability to play these songs. If you need to before jamming along, you can use any of those warm-up little sort of exercises that I've explained in previous videos as well. But right here in this video, we're just going to go ahead and start jamming together on number 12, and then we'll just proceed through all the way to number 16. It's going to be super fun. Let's do it. Okay, awesome. I hope this is fun for you. In the next video, we're going to work some more songs that again stay on those top 3 strings and those first 3 frets, really trying to lock in that as our foundation as we're learning to play melodies by reading tablature. It's going to be awesome. Take care. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.